Silence in the laboratory! The experiment is running! Being a scientist is a very explosive job.
What a twist!
I don't think we have time for science right now. It smells like a party in here. My colleague decided to bring some sparklers into the lab today. Let's have some fun. Someone's coming. Hide the sparklers. Just look at this. It's a real pyrotechnic show. But how is this possible? The sparklers won't go out underwater. Is it magic? No. When the sparklers burn, they release hydro-repellent gas. Okay, seriously, let's put these sparklers out. It smells like sparklers in here. You and your experiments. I have an idea. I don't have an idea. Idea. Just kidding. Idea. Just... But I have a light bulb. That's a good idea. Come here, little one. I need to sacrifice you for the sake of science. Lights up and... let's break it. Whoa! A slow-mo blackout! Call 911! As we expected, the light bulb didn't survive. We could have predicted this. Just don't try this at home. It's very dangerous. Don't repeat, just enjoy it. I think whoever works in this lab really hates bottles. Let's see what happens to mine. Nothing? What if I take a hammer? I'll add a little water. Perfect. I'll get ready to strike it at the neck and... But maybe I should do this over a fish tank. Let's see that again. After the strike to the neck of the bottle, the pressure is unbelievable. Not even the bottom of the bottle can survive this much pressure. Not bad. Not a single bottle has survived a fight with this hammer. Well, let's start our next experiment. We'll be using electricity and pencil leads. Put the graphite pieces at a slight distance apart and turn on the electricity. Don't touch anything. Put your safety goggles on. The show is starting. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! An arc of electricity lit up between the LEDs. Look at all those sparks. You could destroy the one ring in this fire. It looks incredible. Great results. Just call me Mr. Tesla. Write down the results and clean this up. It's my time to shine. A sharpened pencil can also be useful for my experiments. I'll attach the pencil to the ends of the terminal and turn on the electricity. What? Nothing is happening. I'll turn up the power. Oh yes! The lead heats up and transfers energy into the wood of the pencil. It's making a lot of smoke. Looks like my experiment was successful. I'm not so bad after all. Oops! The pencil couldn't handle the stress. Sometimes your school supplies just explode. Hey, you! Newton's biggest mistake. Don't burn my lab down. Pickles are the most important scientific tool. Who wants a snack? The lab is in a slump. What should we come up with? Holy electricity! What was that? Let's try it again. Whoa! This guy is like Prometheus. Let's keep experimenting. What should we use? Want to try grilled pickles? Salt is a conductor of electricity, so we can see it running right through the pickle. A glowing pickle, the miracles of agriculture. Finally, we need to check if the pickle survived after this electroshock therapy. Well, bottoms up. Huh? It's still edible. This lab has a really romantic atmosphere. It's all here. Flowers, candles, flasks for drinking cocktails. Let's open some bubbly. And invite my date in. Welcome to the date of your dreams. but I don't think she's impressed. I need to use some special effects right now. I have one very impressive trick to try. I'll set up 2 bronze wires at a distance and bring them up to the candle and turn on the current. The gases that are created when the candle burns make an arc of light, and it rises up the wire. This effect is called a Jacob's ladder. I'm sure I earned a kiss. But it seems like science beat romance today. My date is more interested in Jacob than in me. Aw, man! We have a new device in the lab. Is this the music of the wind? No, it's a pendulum with different amplitudes. Let's start the pendulum. The pendulum hypnotized the whole lab. It's as hypnotic as running water or a burning fire. Hey, wake up! Get back to work! Did you like our beautiful experiments? Just don't try them at home. Let us know in the comments about what amazing scientific phenomena you'd love to see in slow-mo. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click on the bell. Don't miss any of Woe's amazing videos.